sa improvisation leading NC2. Batch electric policy today, I will perform the formula meal, feeding the baby. So, first, wash your hand to prevent the spread of microorganisms, bacteria, and viruses that may cause infection and diseases. Gather all the equipment. The equipment are physician's order chart, alcohol, measuring cup, spatula, clean cloth, bib, feeding bottle, pre-boiled water, and formula milk. So compare the physician's order to the formula milk. Okay, then after that, check the expiration. So if expired, so throw immediately and report to the nurse supervisor. If not, so proceed with the procedure. Next, get the feeding bottle, open the cup upside down to avoid contamination, calibrate. So the physician's order is 4.2, meaning 4 ounces of water and 2 scoops of milk. So 4 ounces of water, then calibrate. Pre-boiled water, use the pre-boiled water first because to prevent the gastrointestinal problem of the baby. Next, I'm going to use the measuring cup and spatula to scoop. So do not exceed or decrease the dilution or the physician's order to might get the proper nutrition of the baby. Then, after that, so shake in a rotational motion or swirling, palm to palm or whirling to prevent the formation of the bubble. Then, next, use your wrist to test because wrist is the other sensitive compared to the other parts of the body. Okay, next, after that, get the clean towel and the bib. Identify the baby by the head part, waistband, and the foot part. Then put the bib on the chest of the baby. Then get the baby in a shoulder hold position. Then after that, put in the radial hold position. So the head is higher than the body to avoid aspiration. Now I'm going to feed the baby. So 2 ounces, 4 ounces more, 4 ounces of formula milk. So I will make monitor the 2 ounces. Then after feeding the baby, do not shake to avoid ear infection. Do not jerk to avoid choking. So steady lang, ganyan. Then after that, monitor. If they reach the 2 ounces of milk, so it's burping time. Get the clean cloth. So first burping position is the shoulder hold. So shoulder hold. Then tap at the back of the baby. If you hear the burping sound, then you continue to feeding the baby for the previous 2 hours more. Next, I'm going to burping the baby on a lap position. So cradle hold position. So I'm going to put in the belly position. Then sit. Then pitin yung paa niya dyan. The second signal is lap position. Tap at the back of the baby. If you hear the burping sound, then you continue to feed the 2 ounces more. Then last one. So last one is they call front position. So this is the third one. So tap at the back of the baby. If you hear the burping sound, then you continue to feed the baby 2 ounces of previous. Then put in the chair hold position. Then face-to-face position. then shoulder hold position. Then put in the crib, put it back in the crib. Remove the bib. Then if the baby is deep sleeping, so it's time to cut the nail of the baby. Then after that, go back to the nurse station, arrange all materials that you use, perform a hand hygiene alcohol base and sanitation, wash your hand to prevent the spread of microorganisms, bacteria and viruses that may cause infection and diseases. Alright, and then report to the nurse supervisor that you are done with the procedure. Once again, my name is Ronald Demors, from Pangasinan Institute, caregiving NC2, Batch 18 of the Policy. Thank you. Ang pinakakukunin dito, personally, ito, then wrist, then yung tatlong position. So ngayon, bibigay ko muna sa